This is Doug, KI7LIK. Just do a quick tour of my shack. Kind of show you how things are going to set up right now. Like most, it doubles as a shack and a storage area. My new soda hiking pack. It wasn't anything, it's not complete yet. Most of the stuff I've had or just been acquiring over the years. I'm gonna insulate this side first because it's where I'm at most of the time. Just thought I'd go quick shack tour with the 891 and my Kenwood dual band that I got from my Elmer mic, the TMG 707 that I've used on soda activations. Just a quick tour. It's come quite a bit. Come quite a bit a ways from when I started. This is Doug, KI7LIK, with Douglas V Amateur Radio and more. 73 and Yahweh bless.